Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to give you a quick channel update. If you notice the gap between the two videos, the one I posted in December and the one I posted in January, it was a longer time span than what I normally like to do. I've been trying to keep a weekly upload schedule, but two reasons. The first one being is the holidays. You know, everybody's busy doing everything with family, trying to get that all knocked out in a small time frame, so that kind of pushed me behind. Also, as most of y'all know, I work at a fire department as my main job. We work roughly 72 hours a week. And last year, I worked a second job like every other firefighter does. And my second job was working in a mechanic shop as needed. Boss called, said, hey, I need you to come in. Boom, I'll be there. So I worked a few days a week depending on how much work was lined up. And also who showed up for work. So at the beginning of this year in January, I accepted another job offer at another fire department that also works a shift schedule like my main job. So I'm obligated to be there on certain shift days to fill the slot on that shift. So obviously that's taking up a lot more time. And let me explain that a little more in depth. And tomorrow is Sunday. I go in for my 24 hours of my main job. When I get off, I go to the second fire department on Monday. There I'll be there for 8 or 9 hours roughly. So I probably won't get home Monday till 5:30. So I'll be gone roughly 36 hours at a time, and that is definitely cutting into my shop time, getting out here and being able to do work. I do have older footage that I'm working on to try to constantly give you a constant stream of videos to watch on that weekly schedule. During the times at the fire department, we do have free time, downtime, after hours, whatever you want to call it, and I'm trying to get as much video editing knocked out as I can during that time. The free time I have here at home, I'm trying to spend in the shop getting work done and recording more videos. As you can see right here is more frames. I'm doing a third gear rack. The mini-series that we're doing is the older gear racks. I built 2 gear racks last year for a fire department. A man that works at that fire department called and told me he was interested in having some built for his fire department, so now I'm working on a third gear rack. I'm not going to do a mini-series on that. That'll be one long constant video, and it'll be a more up-to-date video with different camera angles and a little more in depth of what's going on. I also changed the design a little bit to help with the decon stage of fire gear. So that's going to be a little bit different, so just stay tuned for that. 2, let's talk about the house on the lot real quick. It's the end of January. I'm slammed with work as far as fire department and what I have welding, not just welding. So I'm slammed with both, but I probably won't be able to get to the lot probably till the end of February, maybe March. Taxes are where they are. I'll pay them, and I'll just work at my leisure, which I've been going at my leisure and it's been really slow. But anyway, we're going to get back out there. To keep you guys interested, having to do with the lot, I have a new toy over here in the corner. You may see it when I do the lot video. You may see it if I post the gear rack video first. You may see it then. I've had a lot of fun with it. It's going to really help with clearing the lot. It's a really fun toy. Back here in the back on this shelf, if you can see that, there's another toy up there I picked up. Well, not really a toy, a piece of equipment that I picked up for the shop a while back, and I still have not got it hooked up, so I've got to get it hooked up so I can play with it and introduce it to y'all. I also want to point out, if you haven't noticed yet, I changed the name on the channel, the YouTube channel. I changed it to the same thing as what's on Instagram. That guy with an S, one channel is on Instagram. Follow over there for daily uploads. You can keep up with what's going on that I haven't recorded on video, and it'll keep you up to date in between videos. Like I said, daily uploads, so make sure you follow along on Instagram. So I changed the name of the YouTube channel. People were coming to me and saying I'm having a hard time finding your YouTube channel, and come to find out there's like 3 or 4 guys with the same That Guy YouTube name, and the only reason they accepted mine was because of the funny way I spelled it. Had no clue, didn't pay that much attention to it, thought it was a cool name. So I've gone back and changed it to the same as the Instagram name, so that way you'll have an easier time of finding it. That Guy's with an S, one channel, and that way, again, you'll have an easier time finding it. Hope you guys enjoy this little update video. Hope you enjoy all the videos I post. If you want to help out, go down here and click this little red subscribe button. I'm pretty sure I got the right hand this time because it's actually the left hand. and hit that little subscribe button. That lets YouTube know that you're interested anytime I post a video. If you want to go down below and hit the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button, it doesn't matter whichever one, because it shows YouTube that there's an interaction between you and the video. If you want to go down and leave me a comment in the comment section, let me know anything that you'd be interested in seeing on this channel, anything that you'd recommend, anything having to do with the welding, having to do with the house, having to do with whatever have you, and we'll see if we can make it happen. So now this is the end of the video. If you also would like, you can click on this circle right here at my face, or either above my head, a little circle with my face in it. That is also a subscribe button. If you'll click over here, this will be the next video that I upload, or a video to the Gear Rack series. If you want to click over here on this side, this is going to be, if I can do it, this is going to be a video of another local guy's channel that I found the other day. I think it's pretty cool. He does a lot of aftermarket car builds, putting turbos and superchargers on stuff, and doing complete engine builds and retrofitting stuff. And I think it's pretty cool. If you guys do click on this link, go over there, leave him a comment on the page, let him know you're coming from over here, and see if we can get up with him. See if he'll get in contact with me, and see if we can make something together. That would be a cool idea, right? Anyway, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed it. Y'all have a good one, and I'll catch you next time.